Simplii Financial Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. If you're looking for a digital-first banking experience in 2025, Simplii Financial is a name you've likely heard. But is it truly worth your money and time? Let's dive in. Most people get this wrong by assuming Simplii is just another online bank. The surprising truth is that Simplii is a direct banking brand of Simplii, giving it the backing and security of a traditional bank while delivering a completely digital experience. That means no monthly fees for standard accounts, free e-transfers, and competitive interest rates on savings accounts, benefits that make it very attractive for tech-savvy users. One of the biggest pros is simplicity. Opening an account is entirely online, and the app is intuitive, allowing you to manage checking and savings accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds with ease. Credit cards are also available with rewards and cash back options, plus personal loans and mortgages. You also enjoy security features like two-factor authentication and instant transaction alerts. On the flip side, there are some cons to consider. Simplii has no physical branches, which could be a drawback if you value in-person banking. Some customers report that customer support can be slow, especially during high-traffic periods. Also, while their app is user-friendly, advanced budgeting tools or investment options are limited compared to some competitors. In conclusion, Simplii Financial in 2025 is a solid choice for those who want a fee-free, convenient online banking experience with the security of a major bank. It's ideal for people comfortable managing money digitally, enjoying competitive savings rates, and avoiding monthly fees. However, if you require in-person support or advanced financial tools, you may want to supplement it with another service. For straightforward, digital-first banking, Simplii is worth serious consideration.